So all the photos and footage that you're seeing right now were taken using my iPhone 17 Pro. And it's just a really good reminder for someone like me who is admittedly a gear addict. I always end up convincing myself that I need something better than what my iPhone is capable of capturing, which in all sincerity, I think isn't always the case, especially if the bulk of your work is being seen through social media. And so this video is almost like a tribute to the iPhone 17's camera in a way that I wanted to remind myself that sometimes the gear that you really need is already with you. And I think one of the beauties of this technology is that you can set things manually or even just keep things in automatic, and you should still get really, really nice results. And so for this video, I partnered with Tilta to showcase the new iPhone 17 Khronos Lite Creator Kit and their new line of Khronos ecosystem for the iPhone 17. In today's video, I'm really just going to show you how it works, what it looks like, and how it feels. Ultimately, you can make that decision yourself if it's something for you or if it's something that can help improve the usability of your iPhone. And we're gonna start off by unboxing the Khronos Lite iPhone 17 Pro Creator Kit. In the box, you'll get the case, a control handle, a filter tray, a universal magnetic backplate, a screen protector, and 2 magnetic filters. The case is well constructed and lightweight and has a built-in kickstand. You'll find 2 holes where the kickstand is, but we'll get back to that later. As I mentioned, the kit comes with a screen protector, so after installing that, you simply have to pop in your phone in the case. The case is very well protected and is also MagSafe compatible. You still have access to all the buttons, especially the camera control button, which is nice. The lip of the case is pretty deep, which helps protect your screen in case you drop your phone. And having a built-in kickstand is actually a really nice touch. The 2 holes I mentioned earlier are for this. This is the control handle, and if you look closely, there are 2 prongs that you use to insert to the case. It has a 1/4-inch screw hole at the bottom, a charging port, and a control dial. You also get a zoom dial, a function button, and a record button. Locate the holes in the case, line up the control handle, and lock it into place. And this ergonomic grip instantly makes it a lot easier to capture content using your phone. What's nice is that once paired, the control handle actually works with the native camera app. You can use the zoom dial and the record button, which is much easier. But for even more convenience, you can attach the control handle to this magnetic back plate. The process is similar and straightforward, and once locked in, you can just snap on the handle onto the case. And what makes this setup even more convenient is now you can rotate your phone if you want to capture vertical content. Not only is this setup versatile, but it can also help you stabilize your shots. And since it's on a magnetic backplate, this means you can also install it on other iPhones, even without the case. And if you're wondering how strong the magnets are, they're very, very strong. And even in the case that your phone falls, at least it's protected by the case. You also get a filter tray that you simply snap on the case and magnetically attach your filters. Honestly, the possibilities are endless, especially if you consider all the MagSafe accessories available. And if you don't like this color, they also come in black. Now, they do come in 3 other colors. This one is the yellow version, and they do have a blue and green versions as well. And just as a note, these cases come with their own screen protectors, which is nice. So after a few weeks of using this, I've come to realize that this sort of kit is probably the only one that I would ever need for my iPhone 17. I mean, the phone itself is already very capable, so the only thing that I would like to improve would be the ergonomics, which I think this kit addresses really well. Simple, it adds protection, and it works. But if that's not extreme enough for you, then you might want to consider something like this. This is also a Khronos case, but without the light part, and you'll see why. Unlike the light case's minimalist design, this one goes the exact opposite. But what's great about it is that you don't need any tools to put it together. The case is mostly metal, including this crazy back plate, and it even comes with its own lanyard. Access to all the buttons, including the camera control, is there. The build quality is robust, and I would even describe this as like Iron Man's version of an iPhone. This backplate right here is actually a multi-tool. First, it has its own built-in kickstand, which means that you can also attach it to other phones, a metal edge that can be used as a prying tool perhaps, and a hidden box cutter. The top of this backplate has a rotating metal ring that can be used as a kickstand or as an additional grip for your phone. You can also remove it and attach it to other phones. I really like this very slim design because it works perfectly with my iPhone Air. But what makes the Khronos case different is that it has attachment points for the rest of the Khronos ecosystem. Now, I don't have any of those accessories at hand except for this handle that I bought myself, but this illustrates the versatility of the system in case you really want to make this into a serious camera rig. Also, it's quite satisfying to use. The Khronos case comes in black, orange, space gray, or in this beige color that actually looks more of a gray. Between this and the light case, it really is just down to preference, but I don't think you can go wrong with either one. Now, in the last few months of using this, I've noticed that what I like the most is the Khronos Light Kit, just because it still feels like a traditional case. And I think it honestly looks good in any colorway, but I like the black one in particular. And it's one of those cases that you are just absolutely confident that if you drop this, that your phone is just going to be fine. And the magnets on this case is just extremely strong. And I think that's one of those things that just adds to that level of confidence. I just wanted to say thanks again to Tilta for sending me all these products to try out and to show you. And of course, if you want to check them out for yourselves, you can click on the link down below in the description box. And I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like and a comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel, because that is the best way to support creators like me. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.